Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 with MMI system, and I'm going to show you hopefully how to reboot the system, how to force restart it if for some reason you have to do it. Maybe the navigation is stuck, maybe you made some coding changes to the 5F unit and you need to be rebooted for those changes to be applied. So over here you have the control panel with the control knob, and you need to press at the same time three buttons, I believe: the menu button, the confirm, the control knob, and the top right buttons. And if you press those three at the same time, you should see the screen go dark, and the system in a couple seconds should reboot. So let's try to do it. I'm placing my fingers over here and press. Screen is completely dark. We have the Audi logo over here, and I believe in a couple seconds system will be fully functional, and individual modules are loading right now. So we have the radio, we have navigation, we have other stuff, and the priority, I'm not sure if what's the priority of loading those apps, but I believe navigation is one of the last ones. So if we go to navigation, yeah, it's still loading, but in a couple seconds it should be ready to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you liked this simple tutorial. Subscribe if you did, and check my other videos. See you soon.